Hi, my name is Neil. I'm a product specialist here at Hirepeak. Hirepeak is an interviewing platform. It was designed to allow interviewers to conduct better interviews. So today we'll be doing a quick demo of what Hirepeak is and all of the different features and how it can provide value to your organization. So there's a little bit of background actually before I start. Hirepeak was developed at Ishi Systems. Ishi Systems is a development company that's been around for 20 years, and we've hired everything from sales to developers to operations, you name it, we've hired that kind of person. And we wanted to really focus on hiring the best talent. And we've noticed that over time, we started creating benchmarks for what that talent looked like. And we came up with Hirepeak to help us create those benchmarks and to consistently hire better. So Hirepeak, like I mentioned, is a new type of interviewing system that provides three values: structure, content, and data. Structure, what I mean by that is we allow you to customize and choreograph your process. So you can define how many rounds, what questions, what content is covered for each one of those rounds. And this makes sure that you have a consistent process for all of your candidates and no one gets lost. And of course that everyone is being evaluated on the same level. Next, we have content. So our interviewers always struggled with knowing what to ask or what to cover, especially when they were getting pulled out of meetings and thrown into interviews. So with Hirepeak, we've provided all of that content in the form of question sheets and scorecards. So no matter if you're hiring an operations person or an iOS developer, we'll give you the top skills that they need to know for that position, and we'll also provide you with questions to ask in each one of those rounds. And then we have data. So data comes once you have a content-driven structured process. Once interviews are being done at the same level, you can then compare candidates side by side. You can dig into their proficiencies and see what specific skills they excel in and which ones they lack. So without further ado, we'll actually jump into the demo. So if for anyone who would like to sign up for a free demo, 30-day sign up, you can actually do that from the Hirepeak site. Feel free to check this out. We also have a very nice blog, and you can also do a trial interview on the Hirepeak site as well. So let's jump into the demo.